right, welcome. Today we're going to talk about maybe customer perception, some things just to help you along in this business. Now, this is a degreaser cleaner. I've used this on so many things, and some of you are going to laugh. My wife is now a fan of this. If you happen to get in a car and your shoe has a little bit of grease and you get on the carpet, this will clean your carpet. For your home use, this will clean cat puke stain where Resolve and others won't out of your carpet. And that's why my wife is a big fan. It works on the green stuff that gets on siding. It works on decking. It cleans the brake dust off of these rims like this. But the thing that got me the most, and I'm going to do this, is everybody's familiar with this product. At least most mechanics are. If you're in farm country or the Rust Belt like I am up here in Cleveland, anti-seize. You use it on exhaust bolts, you can use it on tractor bolts, there's a lot of uses for it. It's one of the, to me, the nastiest things I've ever dealt with. Grease is my friend. This will get everywhere. This, if you touch this, it'll be on a doorknob, it'll be in your car, it'll be on your clothes at home, your toolbox, your stuff. So when you find something that will tackle this, you got something. So I'm going to show you kind of how this goes. And again, if I didn't have this, there's no way in God's green earth would I touch this product without putting gloves on. It's just how I roll with this. And again, most mechanics would probably agree. So this is a pretty funky product. And if you started doing this, most people would think you have, an issue. Because now you're not getting this off. You could use paper towels, gasoline, diesel fuel, solvents. You're not getting this off. So let's just see what happens with this. And I grab just one towel right out of a container. And you see it's coming off pretty good. Now, I used more on my hand than what a shop would normally use on a bolt. And it seemed to be doing a really, really good job. You could see it coming off. And again, I wouldn't have touched this without gloves. No how, no way. Again, you got to make sure you get all this never seize. That is a fact. One of the nicest things about this, if you were using a paper towel or a shop towel, this stuff gets in that towel and it'll spread from there. Now, as you could see, I took the never seize on here. It don't come off. Once it's in the rag, it is in the rag. That is probably what got me the most about this. I can handle this rag now, and it's got a lot in it. It ain't coming back off the rag. Again, it's the Never Seize Challenge. If you work in farm country, you work in a Rust Belt where you absolutely use Never Seize. It works on wheel bearing grease, CV axle grease, which is a close cousin to this. And again, have confidence. This is going to clean. It's going to clean all kinds of products. You can wipe up anything else you get. Again, you can find this on Transcend. You can go to transcend.us. You can visit our website, transstar1.com. Or as always, you could call your sales rep. Again, protect yourself, make your customers trust you, and keep things clean. Thank you for watching.